How's it going? Mike here, The Fresh Rinse. Just got home from work, had 4 wonderful opportunities on the day, for which I'm eternally grateful. The phones continue to ring, and I continue to reel in profitable work. Speaking of profitable work, we are now in gutter cleaning season. If not now, very, very soon. I want to encourage you to advertise heavily for gutter cleaning. Did you know that gutter cleaning is one of the most profitable tools in your tool pouch? There are a few reasons for that. One, for safety. There's such a risk. And homeowners, ouch, dog. Stop it. Homeowners understand the risk. In fact, a study was recently done at Fresh Rinse University showing that 10 out of 10 homeowners down. Every time I say homeowners, my dog jumps. Weird. He's a homeowner phobic. That's funny. What was I saying? Oh yes, 10 out of 10 homeowners. You stay put. You stay put. Oh gosh, that's too much. You can't make this stuff up. This is hilarious. 10 out of 10 homeowners don't do it. Absolutely dread the idea of getting on their roof. They understand the danger. They're willing to pay up to have a professional do that. Someone with insurance, someone who has skill, someone who has all the tools. Which brings us to point number 2. Another reason why that gutter cleaning is so profitable is because there's almost zero overhead. That's funny. That's funny. I mean, you already have all the tools, you have the ladder, you have the wherewithal, you're not afraid, you can do it. And yeah, so it's profitable. I want to encourage you to advertise. I've put together 3 amazing ads for gutter cleaning. One that really highlights what I have just spoken of there, the risk. And that's something to promote, not because we want to in some way be deceptive, but the truth needs to be told. We are helping people while we are helping ourselves. And so there's no need in someone getting hurt unnecessarily. So we're going to take that risk on ourselves and then of course reap the reward for it as well. Another one highlights the damage that is involved if we choose not to clean out our gutters. Long term, it can do great damage to your home, and so we want to get that out there, again, saving the homeowner money. And then thirdly, there's just a general idea of cleaning your gutters because there's the aesthetic point that needs to be made, but then also the fact of the matter is gutters have to be cleaned, unlike homes. A home doesn't have to be cleaned. Concrete doesn't have to be cleaned. Gutters do. So these ads, 1 for $50, 3 for $100. 1 for $50, 3 for $100. They are completely customizable. Obviously, all of your information with your logo, your website, your color scheme, and if you want other things in there like your slogan, what have you, we'll throw that in there, of course, at no additional cost. Don't call me, but text me, 513-235-8474. 513-235-8474. Text me, and we'll begin communicating that way. And then within just a day or so, maybe 2-3 days, I can get those ads to you. So the fact of the matter is, at that price, I'm not making a lot of money. But these ads get me jobs. More than half of my new business comes by way of Facebook and digital marketing. Did you know that having a business without advertising is like picking your nose in the dark? It's true. You know you're doing it, but nobody else does. And we want everyone to see us pick our nose. That's not where I was going with that, but nonetheless, you get the point. Hey, Mike, The Fresh Rinse, and I'm out.